Good. So to continue, we have this coffee of El Cielo. I will proceed to make it in this Chemex method. It's a German method. This coffee is made by our chef Juan Manuel Barrientos in company of Matisse House. It's a premium brand in Colombia to make coffee. This is a high grounded coffee. This comes with nuts of chocolate and vanilla, and the ground is on 1,500 meters at the level sea. Okay, so the smell is strong, but the taste is soft.
It's nice.
To share with your coffee, we have this traditional cookie of Colombia. It's called the cuca. Inside of it, you will find a cream of vanilla.
Okay.
This is a macaron of algarrobo with a little bit of cream of sweet guayaba. This is a gelatin with sugar, aguardiente, and passion fruit. And the other is a...
This one has aguardiente?
but not alcohol. It's anise.
Anise, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
This is a truffle of chocolate, and inside you will find a cream of piña colada.
Ah, okay. And this is the last one? Or
This is the... no. You will have another 3 courses more.
okay.
Yeah.
Nice.